Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my WOW style. Remember, God loves you. Today is Tuesday Thrifting, and you know I always like to look for extra ideas with my crocheting projects. This one is gorgeous. I love the pattern on it. I also found this one, and it is double crochet in both directions, which is pretty unique too. And right above them was this cup, and it's a tall one. We like to get a large drink when we're running around thrifting. This will work out perfect. I love this back wall, and I always like to look at it because there's some unique things, just like this sign. Oh my gosh, I see something colorful. Look at this clock. It's going to be perfect for my garden. It's mine. I'm going to dig this out. $8. Wow, isn't it beautiful? I'm going to send a picture to Rhonda, see if she would like to have it. She said yes. I'm going to get it for her. This row of yellow baskets is all merchandise that has just come out onto the floor, so us shoppers get to look at it quick while the workers are trying to stock it. Another mini food processor. These things work great, but I don't see a price on it. Here's another tall Starbucks cup. Ooh, $5. I only like to spend $2 on it, and the lid does not screw on tight. My kitchen is red, and I was pulling out this pot, but it's pretty scratched up, and it does not look like it's in good shape. I'm always attracted to yarn. This looks kind of pricey because it's wool. This is a cute seesaw table for kids. It's really small though. Oh, what's this? A mixer bowl? I have a collection, but I can't remember if I need white or clear. Let's look at this back wall. Oh my, look at this. These are all fashion dolls. That's a huge collection. There's probably at least 10 in every package. Somebody must have donated all of these. They always package the kids' toys up so nicely so that way all the parts are together. Now we're in the clothing area. I always like to look through them really quick. Now for the dishes. This is a really nice bowl, but I already have 3 of them, so I'm not going to get this one. Somebody stashed some yarn in the dish section. They're also Lion Brand and a baby red heart, $2, but I don't need these. Okay, let's look at these finds that I found. I really fell in love with this gardening clock. I needed a clock for outside under the patio while I'm working, and I was able to get it for $10.80 because I am a senior and I got a discount on it. Looks like I we'll have to replace the clock mechanism because it is broken, and I think that'd be easy to replace. So I'm pretty excited about it. It is absolutely gorgeous. She makes those bird baths with it. It's a pretty good sized bowl. You can see my hand up against it. So I'm pretty sure she's going to be very pleased with that. Here's our other bag. We stop and get some drink refills. We can fill this for 50 cents with our diet sodas. This one just reminded me so much of the mermaid Starbucks collection. It's easy to hold. I like the fact that I was able to put my hand around it. So I'll keep these in the car for me and Rhonda when we go thrifting on thrifting days. Really matches that bowl really well. And then the last item I got was this bowl. I'm just gonna have to make a note of these bowls that I collect for my mixers, and I'll show you the reason why. Here is one of my mixers. This one has the juicer. It is Hamilton Beach collection. It does have the smaller bowl in it, and it is identical to the one that I just purchased. So what I need are the clear bowls. This one is a Sunbeam Mixmaster. I love this one. I picked it up for free. Somebody was just throwing it away. But this bowl does not match. Clearly, it's too tall. This one has 4 rings on it. Also, the one in the back is a Hamilton Beach also. And of course, I have a white bowl in there too. I'm probably gonna sell that at the garage sale this spring, along with the other one, until I find 2 clear ones that'll go with these 2 mixers. I also have a collection of coffee thermoses, the older ones. I just have a collection, small collection. I have the 4 mixers, and I think I have 5 coffee thermoses. Anyways, I will let you know if I ever find one. This Montgomery Award one has the 2 bowls that came with it, which I'm very pleased. This one is totally different. It goes with the other set, so I'm just gonna have to keep a closer eye out for 2 clear ones. Obviously this one does not match and it's too tall. I spent $23.85, $7.20 of which is Rhonda's bowl, so I'll be able to get that money from her. So I think it was a good thrifting day. I was really pleased with the clock that I found, and other than the mistake that I made with the bowl, it was only $3, so I think I'll be able to get that back at my garage sale that I have this spring. I'm so excited to downsize, trying to get rid of a bunch of things. But if you need that, I'll be happy to send it to you. Just let me know. My email's in the description. And I'm so excited about Rhonda's bowl and this cup that I found. So I think I did pretty good. Well, thank you guys for viewing this video. And as always, may God bless you.